Are you looking for a Philippine attire? Perhaps for Buwan ng Wika? This is my Philippine attire. It's actually the Gaddang attire. As you can see, for the boys, they will have a cape and it's actually full of beads. For the girls, it is so complete. They have the headdress, they have the bracelet, they even have some necklaces, but I don't have any. So this costume was known for many of its beads. And if you look at my headdress, you can see there is a lot of beads up there. And note that these are all handmade. Even the dress, the skirt, the belt, they were all hand-woven. So you can see how they dance and more of how they wear their costumes in our other videos that you can check out in our channel. So as you can see, they are dancing like eagles. Aww, and I love this part where the cute ones will dance. It is so adorable. Honestly, I don't know how to dance it, but I am so curious on how to dance it because even the young ones can dance it. So you can simply remove the bracelet like this. There. And look at all those beads and how much effort they must have put in there. And you can also see there's a lot of buttons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye!